Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle their entire lives? The truth is, rich people follow certain money rules that most ignore, rules that create financial freedom, security, and lasting success. Today, I'm revealing 7 powerful money principles that the wealthy use to grow their fortunes. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply them in your life. I've spent some time studying financial habits, and I can tell you, these rules work. Let's dive in. Most people work hard, yet find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, constantly battling to save or invest. It's frustrating, right? You put in the hours, but financial security feels out of reach. The truth is, traditional advice like work hard and save money isn't enough. Not when the rules of the wealthy are entirely different. Rich people understand that building wealth isn't just about earning more. It's about making smart choices with what you have. They invest in assets, avoid bad debt, and make their money work for them, while the rest often fall into the trap of consumerism, buying things that depreciate in value. Let's get real. How many of us buy things to impress others or as a quick fix for stress? The wealthy don't let emotions drive their financial decisions. They follow rules that create financial stability and opportunity, no matter their income level. And here's the thing, you can too. So if hard work alone isn't the answer, what is? The key is learning and applying the money rules that the rich follow. These aren't complicated tricks. They're simple, powerful habits that create wealth over time. In today's exploration, we'll break down 7 essential rules that wealthy people live by. First, pay yourself first. Second, prioritize assets over liabilities. Third, use the power of compound interest. Fourth, leverage good debt. Fifth, master emotional spending. Sixth, think long-term. Seventh, adopt a billionaire mindset. These rules are what separate financial freedom from financial struggle. Let's explore the first one. 1. Pay yourself first. One of the biggest mistakes people make is saving whatever is left after spending. But here's the truth. If you don't prioritize saving, there will never be anything left. Wealthy people do the opposite. They pay themselves first. This means that before paying bills, buying groceries, or spending on entertainment, they set aside a portion of their income for savings and investments. Think about it this way. Imagine if every month, before you even touch your paycheck, 20% automatically goes into a savings or investment account. You wouldn't even have to think about it. And over time, your wealth would grow effortlessly. Immediate action. Automate your finances. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account the day you get paid. Benefit. This simple shift forces you to prioritize wealth, building over spending, leading to long-term financial security. 2. Prioritize assets over liabilities. Now that you're saving first, the next question is, where should that money go? This is where most people make a crucial mistake. They spend on things that lose value instead of things that grow wealth. Rich people focus on acquiring assets, not liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, like investments, real estate, and businesses. Liabilities, on the other hand, take money out of your pocket. Things like expensive cars, luxury gadgets, or even a house that costs more than it makes. Here's an easy test. Before any major purchase, ask yourself, will this make me richer or poorer? The wealthy use this mindset to guide their spending decisions. Immediate action. Start tracking your purchases. Are you accumulating assets or liabilities? Make a plan to shift more of your money toward wealth-building assets. Benefit, over time, this strategy leads to passive income and long-term financial freedom. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon that makes assets even more powerful: compound interest. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. And for good reason, it's how the rich multiply their wealth effortlessly. Here's how it works. When you invest money, you earn returns on your initial investment. Over time, those returns start earning their own returns. The longer you let your money grow, the bigger the impact. For example, if you invest just $100 per month at a 10% annual return, in 30 years, you'd have over $200,000, and most of that would be from compound growth, not just what you contributed. The secret? Start early and stay consistent. Immediate action. Open an investment account today. Even if you start amount, the key is to begin now and let time do the work. Benefit. The earlier you start, the less effort it takes to build wealth. The rich use this to turn small investments into millions over time. But here's another secret. They don't just rely on their own money. They they use debt strategically to build wealth. Let's talk about that next. 4. Leverage good debt. Most people see debt as a trap. The wealthy see it as a tool. The difference? They use debt to buy income-generating assets, not liabilities. Bad debt, like credit cards, car loans, and expensive mortgages, drains your wealth. But good debt, like borrowing to invest in real estate or a business, helps you build wealth. For example, let's say you take out a loan to buy a rental property. Your tenants cover the mortgage, and over time, the property appreciates in value. Now, you own an asset that increases your net worth, all because you leverage debt smartly. Immediate action. If you have debt, analyze whether it's good or bad. Shift your mindset from avoiding debt to using it wisely. Benefit. Strategic debt allows you to build wealth faster without relying only on your income. But here's a common mistake that even smart investors make: letting emotions dictate their spending. Let's fix that next. 5. Master emotional spending. Have you ever bought something just because you were stressed, bored, or wanted a quick dopamine hit? That's emotional spending, and it's one of the biggest wealth killers. The rich don't let emotions control their financial decisions. Instead, they follow simple strategies, like the 24-hour rule. Before making a non-essential purchase, wait a full day. If you still want it after 24 hours, go for it. Most of the time, you won't. Another trick? Think in terms of opportunity cost. Before spending $100 on a night out, ask yourself, what could this money become if I invested it instead? Immediate action. Track your spending for a month and identify emotional purchases. Set limits on impulse buys. Benefit. The less money wasted on unnecessary expenses, the more you have to invest and grow. Now, let's talk about why the rich always think long-term, while most people focus on quick wins. 6. Think long-term. Most people chase quick money, trying to time the market, jumping on trends, or looking for shortcuts to wealth. The rich play a different game. They think in decades, not days. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He didn't build his fortune by flipping stocks overnight. He invested in strong businesses and let time do the work. Real estate investors do the same, buying properties and letting them appreciate over years, not months. The lesson? Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a long-term game. The sooner you start thinking like this, the faster you'll see results. Immediate action. Shift your mindset. Ask yourself, will this decision benefit me in 5 or 10 years? If not, reconsider. Benefit. Thinking long-term reduces risk, increases success, and builds true financial security. But there's one more critical piece: your mindset. The wealthy don't just manage money differently, they think differently. Let's investigate that. 7. Adopt a billionaire mindset. The biggest difference between the rich and everyone else isn't just money, it's mindset. Wealthy people see money as a tool, not a limitation. They believe in opportunities, not obstacles. For example, while most people think, I can't afford this, the wealthy ask, how can I afford this? This small shift forces them to think creatively and find ways to generate more income instead of making excuses. Another key mindset? They focus on growth, not comfort. While others avoid risks, the rich invest in learning, networking, and taking calculated risks that expand their wealth. Immediate action. Start changing your self-talk. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering questions. Instead of saying, I don't have enough money, ask, how can I earn more? Benefit. A wealthy mindset attracts more opportunities, smarter decisions, and long-term financial success. Now, you know the 7 money rules that the rich follow, but knowledge alone won't change your financial future. The difference between those who build wealth and those who stay stuck is action. Every day you wait is a day your money could be growing. Imagine if you had started applying these rules 5 years ago. Where would you be today? Now, think about where you could be 5 years from now if you start today. The truth is, it's not about how much you earn, but how you manage what you have. Wealth isn't luck. It's built through consistent, smart decisions. Remember this, the habits you build today will determine your financial future. So, which rule will you start applying first? Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these money rules will you start applying today? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new wealth building lesson. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more people who want to take control of their financial future. And if you want to dive deeper, check out my other videos on investments, financial habits, and wealth building strategies. Now, let's close with a final thought on your financial journey. The journey to financial freedom starts with one decision, the decision to take action. Today, you've learned the 7 key money rules that separate the rich from the rest. The question is, what will you do with this knowledge? You don't have to be born wealthy to become wealthy. Small, consistent changes lead to massive financial transformation over time. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. So go take that first step. Apply these principles, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.